Take you up to the mountains right now. We can show you the clouds clearing. Also very nice. Mount Jefferson is viewed from our Skycam on Mount Hood at the beautiful and historic Timberline Lodge in the Mount Hood National Forest. See the clouds clearing off. You can even get a glimpse of the Three Sisters down there in Central Oregon too. Okay, the high temperatures today were high. 79 in Portland. That's above average by more than 10. And we'll be about 10 degrees warmer than that tomorrow, which means tomorrow is going to be about 20 degrees above average and even warmer Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Eastern Oregon, we had an 82 in the Dalles. That was this hot spot in the state today. Tomorrow, clear pretty much all day long. Sunset now is after 8:30, 8:31 for tomorrow, and we'll make it up to 88 tomorrow. So it will be feeling even warmer tomorrow and then warmer still as we go into the weekend. So right now, high pressure is just beginning to build our way. You can see these high clouds kind of drifting from west to east across southern BC, indicating there is still some flow there. This high pressure system hasn't really developed all the way yet, but it's going to as this cold system drops down in the central Pacific. It in turn forces warmer air up here on the west coast. I also want to take you to BC. They're getting some showers over BC and Alberta right now, but they've had a very early start to the wildfire season there. And this is satellite imagery from NOAA. You see the smoke here, right? And this is where the Rockies are. Alberta on the east side, BC on the west side. Watch the time lapse. So look at all those fires burning, generating their own clouds there at times, pyrocumulus clouds, as those fires were ripping and the winds out of the southeast pushing the smoke to the northwest. So it's already happening in parts of North America. For us, it's going to be a developing east wind really tomorrow afternoon, but it's going to be tomorrow night and Saturday when it really cranks in. Notice it's still onshore flow at the coast tomorrow, but not on Saturday. Those east winds reach offshore. So even Saturday, the coast should begin to see 80-degree temperatures, and 80s and 90s are possible there on Sunday. We have strong east winds Saturday. That's going to push our highs into the 90s. No problem. We'll be there again on Sunday and Monday as the east winds begin to weaken. Here's what it looks like in the upper levels of the atmosphere. High pressure building tomorrow, then it pushes north, and then it gets undercut by this sneaky little area of low pressure right here. But that may do us the favor of creating some showers and thunderstorms Monday afternoon that will help to break the string of 90-degree days. Notice I didn't say break the heat because we're still going to be in the 80s for several days after that as hot weather and warm air stays in place here in the west for several days to come. So again, this is just the beginning of a long period of very warm weather, the weekend being the hottest part. 79 today. Again, if only we could bottle that for a couple weeks. Medford was 78, so we're even warmer than that, 50s and 60s on the Oregon coast. Outside right now, it is 64 in Portland. The nights are cooling off now, but over the weekend, we may not drop much below 64 for some of our morning lows. On the coast tomorrow, climbing to the upper 60s to about 70 at Astoria. Sunny, warmer north winds tomorrow begin to turn northeast tomorrow night. Sunny and warmer in the valleys, low to mid 80s, but I think in the Portland area will be warmer than that. Up in the Cascades, 70 at Govey, 60s at Timberline and Meadows. It's the kind of pattern where we can melt a foot of snow a day with the warm air and the strong sun. Sunny in central and eastern Oregon, 81 in Pendleton. Lows will be in the 40s, though, so nice, cool nights. For the Gorge, east winds begin to develop tomorrow, but they're going to get stronger tomorrow night, Saturday, and into Sunday. 80s tomorrow and in Portland. Clear tonight and very warm tomorrow, up to about 88. Then we go 92 Saturday, 95 Sunday, 93 Monday with afternoon and evening showers and possibly thunderstorms. That'll help to break the heat a little bit, but we're still well above average with highs in the 80s next week.